Last thing really you have to do on the greenhouse slash garden, cover these spots from here to here, keep birds out. Later on get some screening for bugs, and real soon go ahead and wrap the plastic around it for the winter. After that we open it back up for spring and summer, and we should have a lot of growing going on in here. Pretty much done though. The beauty of having a grinder. Still working on a lot of things, to include helping out a friend, but that's a video for another time. We'll let you know about that. It's pretty important. We're working on it, but yeah, subscribe and keep watching.